Wagwan peeps. Yeah man, Chef Blake is in the house, you don't know. Jamaican thing. Yardman cooking style. Yeah. Alright, we're done to the meat. We're done to the pumpkin. Alright, let's see the scallion over there so. And the thyme right there so. Yes. So I know what say I have some red pea soup I go on. I have my water over here so. That's something I'm going to use to thaw out my this is some beef neck bone. Didn't go over my meat properly, guys. Introduce my meat. This is some beef neck bone, yeah, from the cow, cattle. And this is some steak. Well, you can do whatever you want with these, soup, whatever. Here's some chicken. I don't know if I'm going to add no chicken to my beef. I may not, so I'm going to throw that back in the refrigerator. Yeah, my water this up. As you know, red pea soup can't go down. Yes, red pea soup can't go down if you don't have no peas. So yeah, I'm going to use some of these peas. And these are different type of red peas. So the soup pot, yes, so time to get cooking, guys. So let's go ahead and start thaw out the thing now. So let's get this in the water. Come on, you have to wash the peas, you know. Put your peas in there and wash that. Fire in the house. Yeah, man. Set down the pot, you know. Red peas go on boil. Yes, peeps. Alright, so see this, so we have our thyme, our scallion, our onion leaf, and we have some garlics. And over here we have some Spanish thyme. So if you don't know what they are, this is some Caribbean thyme, Jamaican thyme. Over here we have the scallion leaf. So may I say this at the top of the scallion. Over here we have some garlic peg, and here we have some Spanish thyme. So if you don't, you should know what these are already, because I made some other previous video and show you guys what these are. So it's time for us now, guys, to go ahead and put them in our soup. First thing in is the thyme, then the scallion, and then we go ahead and drop in the garlic pegs. Not even bother cutting them, just don't put them in just like that, because you know, so soup this says everything gonna boil out after a while. It's a lot of heat gonna be going on through them. So here's my Spanish thyme, guys. Everything you see right here is gonna cook down and boil out in the soup, so you're not even gonna recognize them in a few minutes, guys. You know, say like always, I have to sterilize my meat. So before me put my beef neck bone in my soup with some vinegar, I'll just give them a nice go wash. Sterilize my meat. That's how you do it. Alright, guys, as you can see, the soup is boiling. Well, water now boil up still now, but can we just put it on so the peas them are going to soak while the fire is rolling on the bottom of the pot. So yeah, here's my meat, washed nice and clean. Everything I have to clean in a Rastaman kitchen, so you see it. First piece of beef gone in. Some more beef in there. I don't worry about the size, because when it get hot and the heat start permeate through them, everything gonna soften. Okay, time to go ahead and add the salt, guys. And one cover it up. Make it go and simmer down. Fire rolling. Alright, guys, you know, say we are cook red pea soup, Jamaican thing. So you know, say with Jamaican thing, one of the authentic herb is allspice pimento. And what we did, put a few beans in here. And over here, guys, me have my cock soup. You need your cock soup when you make beef soup. And me have a cocoa here, so Irish potato right here. A nice big coconut right there, so my pumpkin I already showed you earlier. And some more other ingredients coming soon, guys. So now it's time for me to go ahead and add in my allspice. But then go and give the pot a good spice. So may I say, remember, allspice was found by Nanny of the Maroon when they went up in the hills to escape slavery in Jamaica. That is where they learn about allspice and learn to cure their meat. You understand? Now the hills and valleys, now the rainforest, just like that. So comes we now nowadays using this spice because it's a traditional, authentic thing, you know. Alright guys, as you can see, here we go. We have the pumpkin cut up already, carrot cut up. We have Jamaican cocoa cut up right there, so. And we have some Irish potato over there, all washed clean and cut up, sitting on the side for going to the soup. Let's take a check on the soup pot now and see what's popping. First, this pot is hot, so let's get down and see what's going on. Yes guys, this thing is bubbling up, looking good, just like I want to see it. Yeah man, stir it up real nicely. Make sure nothing stick at the bottom. Okay guys, time for me to put in the pumpkin. Pumpkin in. Actually, you can go ahead and put all of this in right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pumpkin and carrots gonna be in. All of that good stuff. You know them say pumpkin is good for your eyesight. Said pumpkin make you see far better and much clearer. I don't know what the scientific evidence behind that, but I heard a lot of people said it. So you got to do your own research. Alright guys, now we're gonna put the cocoa in. These are the cocoa. You get the cocoa in and the Irish potato all going in. Start to look like soup already. Alright guys, I know you notice me have a good amount of water in this pot, but there's a reason for that. I want it to cook down until it started ticking down. When it started ticking down, yeah, like chow down, we're gonna get it real nice till the meat start fall off of the bone. So we have this beef neck bone in here. We want it to cook down until all the meat start to fall off the bone. See the meat over there? Want that cook down until the meat start fall off the bone, so we can say yeah, it's coming along. When the meat fall off the bones, by then it's gonna start to get thickened up. I'm on fire, roll on that. Okay guys, you know say a red pea soup we're cooking, and you know there's no red pea soup without your yellow yam. So yeah, my yellow yam just arrived after sent to the store because we didn't have the yellow yam. So the yellow yam just arrived, you know, a big piece of yam. So you know it's about time for me to cut that up and put it into the soup. That's the last piece of food we're gonna put in there before we just do our seasoning. You understand? So yeah, let's jump right into the yellow yam. Why they call it yellow yam. See that? Look at that nice texture. Yep, real yellow yam. Alright, them say yam time. Yellow yam business. Now weevil business. Yeah, yellow yam gone in. Guys, so as you know, we're making cock soup. We need, but this we just realized our chicken soup. This, see it, braised chicken soup. So where's the cock soup? Where's the cock soup? Cock them just appear. You hear me say? Cock them just get here. It's the time to put in the pumpkin flavor right here. Cock soup over here, cock soup over here, cock soup everywhere. So yo, let's get the cock them crowing. Alright guys, we got a few prepper in the house. Get some prepper, but these are not the one I want story. So now so these are, I don't know what that is, but whoa! Watch out people. Soup pot a roll like Dungeon of a Fall. Scotch bonnet pepper jump in. Yeah, my Rex Scotch bonnet drop in. So yeah, right now we are gonna make some dumplings, some spinners. Put in some spinners in there. But first, let's give it a stir. Once when you're making soup, you have to keep stirring the thing. Stirring the thing. Yeah, give it a good stir. Nothing sticking at the bottom. Yeah. The smell from this thing here. The aroma kicking up out of it, yo. The soup is kicking like Van Damme. Yeah. Some bad smell coming out of the pot. Yeah, what me say? Head sick. Head gone. Head no good. Good to go. Alright peeps, so here we are, 1 cock soup. Yeah, the pot going through in our pot. Yeah man, so we do it yardman style cooking. Alright, watch it now. This is the pumpkin flavor, you know, home style. So yeah, make this go and marinate, get everything blending properly and nice. Give it a stir. Get that cock soup. You go sit down and mix up with the beef. The scotch bonnet on the top. Yeah, go and chill out. Yeah, watch him now. Watch him now. Scotch bonnet, you know. Watch him on the top now. I go and float round. Yeah, the king of the soup. Alright peeps, you know it's our time to do some spinach. So yeah, what we need for spinach, we need flour and we need cornmeal. Yes, spinach. So first thing first, we're going to use about 2 scoops or 1 cup right here. There we go. And to top that off, we use about, what is this? Soon tell you know what I go on, that's with the measurement. See if we can see what this is. I believe this is a 1/2 cup or I'm not seeing what's on here. Where's my measurement? Oh, 1/2 cup, just like me say guys. Alright guys, for these dumplings, what's the boy? First thing you put some salt. So for me guys, I'm not even gonna use a spoon because I already don't know how much I put in there. Alright, right this up. And next thing guys, water. And you just add water as needed. And just stir the thing. So use a wooden spoon or whatever you want to use. And just mix it in before you use your hand to knead it and finish it off. So just like that. Incorporate the flour and the cornmeal and the water together in a nice hardened ball. That's all it is. That's all there to it. Just like that. Once you get it to this point, it's time to go in. Make sure your hand is washed nice and clean. So when you come on to dumpling, you have to keep your hand nice and clean. So make sure you wash your hand very nicely before you start this process, or use a gloves. Whatever you feel comfortable doing, just make sure say spick and spunk in a Rastaman kitchen. When you're making dumpling guys, if you ever add too much water, just remember that all you need is to add a little bit more flour, a little bit more cornmeal, and you can get it right back where you need it. So don't get alarmed or get panic if your dumpling spoil. You know, dumpling really can't spoil. All you have to do is add more cornmeal and more flour and you're gone again. Like them say, 1 more Guinness and the cock Ghana. Me have 2 fowl on the yard. 1 a cock and 1 a hen, but the cock put me in a problem. Me just have to sell the cock, but me not gonna sell him again because I give from me grandparents. Hey, the cock go broke that plate them again. And we come current. Yo, I know the song. Yeah, still working on this dumpling. Final product still, huh? Come on. Final product is time for me start making the spinach. You see? Up again. Yeah, this is the original spinach. So me I say you can make them in any size you want, but these just won't like them. So me I say, yeah, time to bring them in the soup. Let's go. Alright. Soup I go on with things. So time to drop in the spinach. Come on. Soup smelling good. When I say good, I mean real good. Yeah. Sat there, you know. There's a sat there soup there that. Yeah. Yeah man, sat there soup there man, a Caribbean thing, you know. On Saturday we cook soup. And well, on Sunday a rice and peas. But today I Saturday, so you know, so there's a soup there. In a good while I don't make no soup, you know, so you know why soup is a nice thing. Yeah. Your body need this. Healthy and delicious. Yeah man, soup is sticking it. So me I tell you, so the soup are ticking down. Yeah man, I want to finish. The meat fall off of the bone. Yeah, look at that guys. Look at that. Ticking down the soup, yo. Keep it going. Yes, I am. Look at guys. See this? some scallion, some more scallion leaf or thyme and scallion right this up. And we just going to shake them off in the soup. Give the soup an extra kick. Yeah man. Bubble them a bubble. Bubble like a trouble. Out of bud. Head no good. Yeah man, the soup ya shell on the place. Shutter road. Them say mother road. And the soup ya butter road. Yeah. Real Caribbean soup. Yo. Watch it. Rich and nice, you know. Watch it. Smelling so good. Yummy. Put on my allspice them on top. The scotch bonnet pepper go and float around the same way. How am there? You just see him a while ago, man. See him here? I fish him up. Scotch bonnet. Oh man, everything looking good. Coming along nicely. Wanna say I don't want to hear some? Come on, just come along, make it thicken down some more. Yes, peeps. Soup is ready. Remember I'm telling you, say, I like my soup where they fall off of the bone. I'm showing you what I go on there, so. Alright, watch it. I bone this now. See bone here. Try to scoop it up so you can see it. Look here, no meat no left on it, everything melt off of the bone. But the bone this, yeah, that's something like my red pea soup. The meat fall off of the bone. You see me? Look at this guys, goody goody. See the bits of the meat here, that's the beef right here. All off the bones. Just the way I want it. Yeah, soup ready guys, soup ready. Yeah man, soup ready. Yeah man, I say things say yellow yam I saw. See the yellow yam them there. Dumpling. See them there, dumpling them there. Yeah, everything look good, more yellow yam. Looking good. So time for me to go and make a plate. Alright peeps, see you ready so? Yeah man, and the final product. This is what it looks like guys. See my beef fall off of the bone. Yeah, if you like the presentation, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Support the channel guys. Share the video. Thank you for being here. Hope you guys like this presentation. Yeah, Chef Blake. Until next time, walk good, be safe, enjoy yourself, eat good, be healthy. Bless upon yourself. Remember, thumbs up the video and share it.